so now I'm gonna react on Kurup Malayalam teaser of DQ Salman, and let me tell you guys that this is the first time I'm gonna react on DQ Salman, so which is why I'm extremely excited. But before I start, hello and I'm Monali Naika. Welcome to my channel, नखरे वाली मोना. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. सो लेट्स गो. हाउस
ये है कुरुप.
हिंदी.
ये बहुत बड़ा मुजरिम है. इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे केसेस है. आप लोग इसको बराबर से देख लो. इसको कोने कोने पे ढूंढना है.
36 വർഷങ്ങൾ, 300-ലധികം ടിപ്പ് ഓഫ്സ്, 1000-ലധികം യാത്രകൾ.
ഇത് അവനല്ല സാറേ.
എല്ലാം ഒരേ ഒരാൾക്കായി.
नाम क्या है आपका?
കുറുപ്പ്.
Kurup.
സുകുമാര കുറുപ്പ്.
Coming soon. Oh, the last look of him while he was smoking, and then the smile which he gave was wow, actually. And once again, I want to repeat, this is the first time I'm watching him, and I am just like very happy that this movie is going to release as a pan-Indian movie, and he will be reaching in each and every corner of India, and people are going to love him like anything, because this is a wow teaser. I simply loved it like anything. So जैसे start हुआ था, एक घर जल रहा था. And what did that happen? Like, I literally told you guys that I'm going to react on Kurup Malayalam teaser. It started, they started talking in Hindi in the background itself. I was like, हाँ हिंदी. फिर बाद में okay. In the start it was in Hindi. Like, खतरनाक मुजरिम जिसने बहुत बड़े बड़े गुनाह किए हैं, and police is finding him since a long time. Might be 36 years, which was mentioned, right? And this movie आज के ज़माने की नहीं, हमको पुराने ज़माने में लेके जाएगी. If you see Havaldar's wearing those half pants, okay, so nowadays no one wears that half pant kind of thing, and वो जो सर पे जो ये भी था वो, so पुराने ज़माने का है, typewriter and all, and everything seems to be very extreme. I mean, like, I feel that this movie is criminal suspense movie because he has done a lot many things. What did they say? 100 tip-offs, sorry, and we can see the chit which he was passing from people to people to people, okay, so might be people are also involved with him, or might be they are afraid of him, so that's the reason nobody is opening mouth. Like, if anyone is showing that if he is Kurup, and people over there are like, no, he is not, or if anyone asks, then he's like, who are you and all, so might be people are afraid over there of Kurup, or might be they support him or something like that. And the dressing sense, my god, was seriously wow. पुराने जमाने के वो ड्रेसिंग एंड ऑल. लाइक मैं आपको एक बात बताऊँ, राधे श्याम मूवी का जब टीजर देखा था उसमें भी थोड़ा सा वैसा मतलब पुराने टाइप का दिखा था, एंड इसमें तो है ही पुराने जमाने का. सो विच इज वाई देखने के बाद ऐसे मतलब अच्छा लगा, एंड इतना मजा आ रहा है कि ऐसे मूवीज, ऐसे ब्रिलियंट मूवीज जो है वो कोने कोने में होंगे. लाइक एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू वॉच दिस एज अ पैन इंडियन मूवी, एंड एवरीबडी विल गेट टू नो द रियल एक्टर, and he will be known worldwide. This is why I am very happy, and this should be like with each and every movie. Like, जितने भी movies आ रहे हैं वैसे normally तो each and every movie is getting released as pan Indian movie nowadays, but still I just wanted this since a long time, which is what it is happening. And DQ Salman, I just loved him, his smile and everything is like wow. Is this based on real story? I don't know, because this is a long journey, they said, like since from 36 years, 100 tip-offs and 1000 something, I don't know what. There was a burning, there was a vehicle as well, burning tha ya purana tha aisa kuch, and but starting mein there was a burning house only. So it started from there, and DQ presence, and then everything it started, and मजा आने वाला है. लाइक आई डोंट नो इफ सस्पेंस मतलब सस्पेंस है किस तरीके का है, but when I watched a movie like Drishyam and all, the way I was feeling the suspense and all, like हमको इन्वॉल्व करके रखा था उस मूवी में, लाइक आगे क्या होगा, व्हाट विल हैपन नेक्स्ट एंड हाउ दे आर प्लेइंग विद द माइंड्स एंड हाउ दे आर कीपिंग इवन अस इन्वॉल्व एंड हाउ द मूवी इज गोइंग, लाइक तो वो मजा आ रहा था देखने में. दिस वन मोर मूवी, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम नाउ, that was also a suspense kind of movie and even that was giving me chills throughout the movie. I guess that was Thadam, I guess. Okay, so when I watched that I was like, my god, what is this? So as I said lot many times that South Indian movies are coming up with very brilliant movies, or might be they used to do since a long time the brilliant movies. I started reacting since 1 year and that's the reason I started coming to know the more about the talent and everything from South, and I just loved it. And since then there was itcha of mine that the South Indian movie should release as a pan-Indian movie and we'll be watching, like we'll go in theaters and we'll watch actors like from South and all, and then मजा आ जाएगा है ना, डबिंग या फिर उसका जो हिंदी वर्जन में करने से अच्छा है तो ऐसे मजा आ जाएगा. So this is what is my mind and that is finally happening and I just loved it. Talking about background music was wow, like मैं कैसे सस्पेंस वाली जो बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक तो वो ऐसा मजा आ रहा था. एंड जिस तरीके से एंट्री था डीक्यू सलमान का वो मुझे इतना पसंद आया. मैंने आपको बहुत बार बोला कि मेरे को उनका जो ड्रेस जो पहना था, उन्होंने ड्रेस मतलब कोट पैंट सनग्लासेस नॉल, मतलब मजा आ गया देखने के बाद. एंड ऐसा लग रहा है यार थिएटर में देखने में मजा आया. ऑफ कोर्स दिस विल बी रिलीजिंग इन थिएटर कमिंग सून. अभी तो सिर्फ टीजर है, ये तो सिर्फ टीजर है बॉस, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. And I think that this picture is going to be hit. What do you feel? Do let me know in the comment section below. And what do I feel is ये जंग है between the police officer and him. And मतलब these are my guesses, okay? And police officer ने अपना पूरा time लगा देगा to solve this case. He's like, oh, there's something which I can't find. There is some hint which I can't find. And I feel that, and this is how he's playing with the police officer, and he'll be playing with our minds as well in the theaters. And this is going to give us chills because you can see the police officer like thinking constantly what must have happened, even there near the window as well, and when he was standing near the car as well, like there is something here which I need to find. So this is just a search of one man who is Sukumara Crew. Okay, so this is in search of them, and I just wanted to know from you guys, like I just told you that this is the first time I'm reacting on DQ Salman, so I just want to know from you guys that which are his hit movies which I should be watching and should know him much more. And do like this video as much as you can and share this video as much as you can, because in your views only I get encouraged. That if you shower much more love, then I get encouraged to react more on South Indian scenes, songs or something like that, or Malayalam or any whichever you want. Do let me know in the comment section below, because that gives me literally very much of motivation. And yes, because on which videos we get views, mostly we react more on that to keep our channel impression very good. That's the reason, because it all works on impression YouTube, right? So that's the reason. Please do it, guys, please. So I come up with videos every day, so don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section below. Baki parat nahi aalech, huh?